Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the below topics are. The first topic is how to convert horsepower to watts. The second topic is how to convert horsepower to kilowatts. The third topic is how to convert watts to horsepower. The fourth topic is how to convert kilowatts to horsepower. The upcoming slides will discuss this topic. Next, we will understand about the horsepower in kilowatts. The first understanding of horsepower is that horsepower, HP, is a unit of power measurement that indicates the rate at which work is done, commonly referring to the output of engines or motors. The second understanding is that kilowatts, kW, or kilowatts measure the amount of power an appliance requires to operate. 1 kilowatt is equivalent to 1000 watts. Next, we will learn the first topic is how to convert horsepower to watts. Please remember that 1 HP is equals to 746 watts. Next, we will learn the sample example. A 4 HP motor requires conversion of its power from horsepower to watts. Next, 4 HP is multiplied by 746, therefore the obtained value of watts is 2984 watts. Next, we learn the second topic is how to convert horsepower to kilowatts. Please remember that 1 HP is equals to 0.746 kilowatts. Next, we will learn the sample example. A 7 HP motor requires conversion of its power from horsepower to watts. Next, 7 HP is multiplied by 0.746. The obtained value of the kW is 5.2 kilowatts. Next, we learn the third topic is how to convert watts to horsepower. Please remember that 746 watts is equal to 1 horsepower. Next, we will learn the sample example. A 1500 watt motor requires conversion of its power from watts to horsepower. Next, 1500 watts is divided by 746. The obtained horsepower value is 2 HP. Next, we learn the fourth topic is how to convert kilowatts to horsepower. Please remember that 0.746 kilowatts is equals to 1 horsepower. Next, we learn the sample example. A 3.5 kilowatt motor requires conversion of its power from kilowatts to horsepower. Next, 3.5 kilowatts is divided by 0.746. The obtained horsepower value is 4.7 HP. We hope everyone understands how to convert horsepower to watts, and how to convert horsepower to kilowatts, and how to convert watts to horsepower, and then how to convert kilowatts to horsepower. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.